Do you like beating up vegetables?
Yeah, it's cruel, I know, but it's tasty as well. Today we are making Ghugni. It's a Bengali snack. It goes really well with parathas or luchi, which is fluffy bread. So the ingredients are yellow peas, mortar, we call it mortar in Bengali. Then we have potatoes, onion, green chillies, some whole spices, ginger, garlic, dried red chilli, tomato, cumin seeds, salt, sugar. Here are some common spices that we are gonna use, like turmeric powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, and coriander powder. In this bowl, we have fennel seeds, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and some cardamom. Let's start by chopping the potatoes. We will cut them into small cubes. Oops! Now we are going to chop the tomato. We just need half a tomato. Just roughly chop them. We are going to slice the onions now. We are going to roughly chop the garlic and green chilies, and then use the pestle and mortar to make a rough paste. Ready? Oh. Hello? We need to grate the ginger now. Let's go, baby. I think that should be enough. So the next step is to boil the yellow peas. But I'm going to use the pressure cooker for a quicker process. I'm also going to add the potatoes. And half of the salt. So we're gonna add the water. There we go. Meanwhile, we roast those seeds.
Do you enjoy cooking?
I enjoy feeding people. Cooking not so much. No, actually I do. That's a cooking channel. Cooking is my love language. Well, feeding people is my love language. Can you smell the masalas? Can you smell the masalas? We dry roast them and then we grind them to fine powder. Nice smelling masala. We call it Bhaja Moshla. We add it to the Ghugni in the end for smell, like, yeah, aroma. Now we start making our ghugni. Let's do it. We'll add a bit of ghee. Now we are going to add the whole spices. And then we add the cumin seeds. Before they burn, I'm gonna add the sliced onion. I'm going to add the green chili garlic paste to the pan. Mix the masala. I'm going to make a mess here, so just bear with me. Bear with me. Mix well and let it cook for a while. We saved the water from the pressure cooker. We used it to cook the yellow peas. We're going to add the remaining salt and we are going to add the sugar. And our ghugni is done. Garnish it with chopped onion, coriander, tamarind sauce and some Bhaja Moshla, the roasted masala that we made earlier.